Hi guys, and welcome back, and we are already starting April, the month of April, believe it or not. So I've gone ahead here and I've created 4 new sketches for the month of April, and we're going to go through each of them throughout the weeks. And I'm actually doing quite some stash busting here. I've pulled out this really old paper collection. It's called Emporium. I think it's about 10 years old, but I really liked this paper. And the reason why I chose this paper is when I choose my paper, I look at colors. I look at colors that are going to match the month that I'm scrapbooking in. April here, there's a lot of rain, so a lot of people, there's a lot of rain because they say April showers will bring May flowers. And we're hoping to see grass, so I'm thinking green. And these patterns are so pretty. They're really pretty, and they're very subtle. So I'm actually pulling out a really old paper pack here. So we're going to be using, again, these 4 sketches. We're going to bring this cute months of the year stamp set. I really enjoy working with these. Again, you've got your months, you've got some beautiful titles, cute little images that you can color in, and they always have a really nice border. So I'm really enjoying those. So if we go quickly here, this is what I mean by colors. In the month of January, I used dark blues and white because it's really cold here in January. And then in the month of February, well, I did, a Valentine type colors. So the red, the pinks, the blacks. So that worked out quite well. For the month of March, I was hoping that it was going to be a little bit more like spring, but it ended up being a little cold. But I did pick green because of St. Patrick's. And as you can see here, it was still quite cold in the month of March. So this is how I pick my colors for the month. So look at colors that remind you of spring. And for me, greens and blues remind me of spring. I also am going to be most likely going to use memory protectors. And I also use these brackets. They're perfect for this size of album. So I use these quite a bit. And look at this. I still have this really pretty color. It was called Twilight. This was a very popular color in the day, so I'm kind of happy that I held on to this ink pad. And we're going to just continue on this journey and start doing our month of April. Just before I go, I wanted to give you a sneak peek of something I've been working on. I don't know about you guys, but I do some of my best work when I clean up my scrapbooking room. And I was putting these stamps away, and they are absolutely beautiful. So I've got like 3 months that I've already done, and I know that I'll be collecting all of them. So I'm going to give you a sneak peek. I started making cards. So these are the cards for the month of January. These are the cards for the month of March, and these are the cards for the month of February. I didn't show them to you in order, but I'm going to have a video and I'm going to show you how to create 3 beautiful cards with 1 stamp set. So don't put these away just yet, because I've got a few cards up my sleeves. You'll see that video next. It's going to be posted a little later this week. Have yourself a fantastic day. I'm glad you're taking this journey with me. And like always, don't forget to take pictures. If you're enjoying this project, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm going to link the entire playlist right here. Thanks for watching.